So transformation T is translation of 5K and point N is the image of point Z under combination transformation T square. So this is N. So coordinate of N, you see here, this one is 6 and 7. So 6 and, negative 7, and Z, you see here, this one is negative 4 and negative 3, negative 4 and negative 3. So you see here, when they say T square is equal to T. So it undergoes translation of 5K by 2 times. So this is image and this is object. So the object undergoes translation 2 times. So here negative 4, negative 3 object plus 5K plus 5K. Translation T. So you see here negative 4 plus 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, we get 6. And then negative 3 plus 2K. So this is the image. So you can see here the image is negative. So this is the image. As you can see here, the image is 6, negative 7. So you can see this one is 6. So negative 3 plus 2K is equal to negative 7. So negative 3 plus 2K is equal to negative 7. 2K is equal to negative 7. So we bring to the right. We get plus 3 is equal to negative 4. So K is equal to negative 4 divided by 2, which is negative 2. So K is negative 2. State the coordinate of the image of point negative 6, 3. So we see here negative 6, 3. This is negative 6, 3. Under the combined transformation TR. So we see here when TR, so means R first and then T. So we see here R. So we see here R is a reflection, Y is equal to negative X. So we see here Y is equal to negative X. Is this 9. This Y is equal to negative X. So see, first reflection, Y is equal to negative X. So under reflection, Y is equal to negative X, you can see here. So you see here it goes 3 upward. So which means it should go 3 also, which is this point. So after reflection YX, the point is negative 3 and 6. So negative 3 and 6. Then T of translation of 5 negative. So we move 5 to the right and then 2 below. So here 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 5, or you can just add here. So you see here this is negative 3 plus 5, which is equal to 2. So this is 2, and then go down 2.1, 2, which is here. So you can see you get 2 and 4. So this one is 2, 4. Or you just, here you have negative 3, 6, right? Negative 6, 6. So you just plus 5 and negative 2. So you get 2 and 4. So you get 2 and 4. So pentagon KLMNP is the image of pentagon ABCDE under combined transformation VU. So what is, so explain U and V. So we know here VU, so mean U happen first and then D. So first U and then V. So you see here, you can see it is rotating, right? It is rotating, then enlargement happen. So rotation, you can see this one and this point, you can see it's rotating 90 degree counterclockwise. So 90 degree counterclockwise, but you have to find the center of rotation. So center of rotation. So to get center of rotation, so you have to connect 2 points and then find intersection of perpendicular line. So we see here, so we have C and H. So when we combine C and H, you can see here, so this is 4 and this is 2. So you see here, so gradient M is equal to, you see here, this one is going down, right, which is negative 4 over 2. So we get negative 2. So we know if perpendicular, so M1, M2 is equal to negative 1. So M2 is equal to negative 1 divided by negative 2, which is 1 over 2. So we know it is opposite to this one, negative 2 and negative 2 and half. So we see the gradient is going up here, and it is ratio y1 to x is 2 and y is 1. So here, crossing here, so you see here the midpoint is, this one is 2, so the midpoint is 1, and this one is 4, the midpoint is here. So it's moving with the gradient of x1, x2 and y1. So the gradient is x2 to y1, which is here. Or if you want to get to be so, or 4 and 2. So you see this is the line connecting, this is the line midpoint of this one. So we see here we have, okay, something like this. Alright, so this is the first line. So this is the first line connecting C and H. And then another point which is the same point which moving from here to here. So you see, maybe you can take A. So A is here. A is equal to, so you see here, this is the long one, this is the long one. So A is here. So you see here, this one is, so this is 4 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. So M1 is equal to, so y over x. So 6 over 4, which is equal to 3 over 2, is equal to negative 1 divided by 3 over 2, which is equal to 2, negative 2 over 3. So you see here negative, so you see here M2 is equal to negative 2 over 3, which means ratio y to x is 2 and x is 3. So n is negative, so it's going down here. So you see here, obviously it will cross this line. So the midpoint is 2 and 3 is here. So you see here y2, so x3 and y2 is here, so it will cross here. So y2 and x3, so here, so this is the straight line connecting. So this is a straight line in between this line. So you see 3, 2, which is here. So this is the straight line. So this is the straight line. So the intersection, so we see here, before this I take 2 points and make line in 90 degree crossing that line, and the intersection of these two lines is the center of rotation. So you can see the center of rotation is here. So this is, so you see this is 6 and 5. So the center of rotation is 6, 5. So to get center of rotation, so center of rotation, so you connect point which is image and object of each other and get perpendicular line to it, perpendicular. So you see here, before this, you see I connect C and H, and then I find the midpoint, and then I find A. So A object and the image of A under rotation. So you see here this one, so this is the long one, so an F. So and then I take the midpoint and I get the point of intersection. This is 6 and 5. Or you can take any point, any 2 points. Alright, it is given that the area of pentagon, and then V, you can see enlargement happen. So enlargement, so the original one is here, and it goes to here, the large one. So to know the scale, you should take the same length. So this is J, and I. So we have 3 here, and this is equal to here P to N, and you see here this is 2. So this is -3, this is 6. So the listen is 6 minus -3, which is equal to 9. So see, this is 3 and this is 9. So enlargement scale factor of 9 over 3 or is equal to 3. So enlargement of image over object. So this is 3. So now we need to know what is the center of enlargement. So we see here we have G and L is the same point. So we see here, this is, you can see this one is 2 and 2. So you connect the line, make sure 2 and 2. So this one is 2 and 2 supposed to be, okay. So you connect the line. Alright. So this is the first one. And then second one, so any point else? So maybe you can take F and K. So you see here F and K. So F and K here, this is 4 and this is 2. So make sure you combine it, 4 and 2 as well. So here, this is 4 and 2. So here and here also 4 and 2. So you connect. So the intersection of the point is the center of enlargement. So the intersection here, you see this one is 3 and this one is 5, which is 3, 5. So here U 90 degree counterclockwise, center of rotation is 6, 5, and here enlargement scale of 3, center 3, 5. Area pentagon ABCDE is 21 meter, so this is 21 meter square, and ratio area of FGHQ to the area of HIJQ is 1, so this is 2 and this is 1. Calculate the area of the shaded region. So we know area image is equal to scale factor square times area object. So you know scale factor is 3. So 3 square times area of object is 21. So area of image, which is the last one, K, L, M, N, P, is equal to 189. So this is 189. This is the last one, is 189. So area is equal to area of K, L, M, and P minus 1 over 3 of area FGHIJ plus 2 over 3 of area FGHIJ, because we have 1 and 2 over 3. So you see here area is equal to KLMNP is 189, and then we see here FGHIJ, the area here is equal to area here. So this is minus 1 over 3 of 21, and then we have to plus with 2 over 3 of 21. So we get, so we have 189 minus 7 plus 14, which is equal to 196. So the area is equal to 196.